Hey everyone, what if I told you that most millionaires don't live in mansions or drive flashy cars? That's one of the surprising truths revealed in the Millionaire Next Door. In this video, we're going to unpack the key lessons from the book and share 3 actionable steps you can take to adopt a millionaire mindset. Let's dive in. Part 1. Who is the millionaire next door? The book reveals that most millionaires live modestly, focus on saving, and invest wisely. They're often your neighbors who live in average homes, drive used cars, and prioritize financial independence over flashy lifestyles. Instead of spending, they build wealth through discipline and smart choices. Part 2. Key lessons from the book. Here are 3 big takeaways from the book. 1. Live below your means. Millionaires don't try to impress others with their spending. Instead they live frugally and focus on saving. 2. Be self-disciplined. Wealth doesn't come from luck. It comes from consistent habits like budgeting, investing, and saying no to unnecessary expenses. Invest wisely. They invest in things that grow over time, like stocks, businesses, and real estate, rather than luxury items that lose value. Part 3. Why these lessons matter. These habits aren't just for millionaires. They're for anyone who wants to achieve financial security and freedom. By adopting these principles, you can take control of your finances and build long-term wealth. Action takeaways from the Millionaire Next Door. 1. Track your spending. Start by creating a monthly budget and identifying areas where you can cut back. 1. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to stay on track. 2. Focus on long-term investments. Put money into assets like index funds, retirement accounts, or real estate that can grow over time. 3. Live simply, avoid lifestyle inflation. 3. If your income increases, save or invest the extra money instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Conclusion. The Millionaire Next Door isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about adopting habits that lead to lasting wealth. By tracking your spending, investing wisely, and living simply, you can start building your own path to financial freedom. So which action will you take first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to change their financial future. See you in the next one.